Welcome to Sriramchan Physics Pilot. இந்த வீடியோஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடியது 12th standard physics first lessonல electrostaticsல 2 mark question answers. So first question, write down Coulomb's law in vector form and mention what each term represents. So first point, Coulomb's law in vector form, F vector equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square or cap. Here F vector is the force between the point charges Q1 Q2 or the magnitude of point charges, or is the distance between the 2 point charges, and R cap is the unit vector pointing along the line joining Q1 and Q2. So this question is state Coulomb's law in electrostatics. So state Coulomb's law in electrostatics. Coulomb's law states that the electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the 2 point charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2 point charges. So F directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Next question, state Gauss law in electrostatics. The total electric flux through a closed surface pi E equal to Q by epsilon naught. Here Q is the net charge enclosed by the surface. Third question, what is an electric dipole? Give few examples. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance constitute an electric dipole. Examples: CO, carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, HCl. These are all examples. அப்ப examples மட்டும் நமக்கு தனியா கேட்பாங்க. Fourth question, what is the general definition of electric dipole moment? Answer, the magnitude of the electric dipole moment is equal to the product of the magnitude of one of the charges and the distance between them. So modulus P vector equal to 2QA. Its unit is coulomb meter. CM. சரிங்களா, C வந்து capital letterல எழுதணும், M will be small letter. Fifth question, define electrostatic potential. Give its unit. The electrostatic potential at a point is equal to the work done by an external force to bring a unit positive charge with constant velocity from infinity to that point in the region of the external electric field. Its unit is volt, V. Sixth question, define potential difference. Give its unit. The electric potential difference is defined as the work done by an external force to bring the unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electric field. Its unit is volt. So electrostatic potential difference the same unit. Seventh question, define electrostatic potential energy. Give its unit. Electrostatic potential energy for system of charges is equal to the work done to arrange the charges in the given configuration. Its unit is joule. So work done அல்லது energy unit joule. So the SI unit for electrostatic potential energy is also joule. Eighth question, what is coronal discharge or action of points or action at points? So leakage of electric charges from the sharp edge of the charged conductor is called coronal discharge or action at points. Next question, what is meant by quantization of charges? The charge in an object Q equal to NE. Here N equal to 0, comma plus or minus 1, comma plus or minus 2, comma plus or minus 3, comma plus or minus 4 up to the values goes on. And E is said to be the electron charge, and the value for E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. 10th question. Write short notes on superposition principle. The total force acting on a given charge is equal to the vector sum of forces exerted on it by all the other charges. So F1 vector total will be equal to F vector 1 to 2 plus F vector 1 to 3 plus F vector 1 to 4 plus up to the values goes on up to F vector 1 to n. 11th question. Define capacitance of a capacitor. Give its unit. The capacitance C of a capacitor is defined as the ratio of the magnitude of charge on either side of the conductor plates to the potential difference existing between them. That is, C will be equal to Q by V. Its unit is farad, capital F, or C by V. Here C is coulomb, that is SI unit for Q, and V is said to be volt. So coulomb per volt is the SI unit for capacitance of a capacitor. 12th question. Define electrostatic energy density. The energy stored per unit volume of space is defined as energy density. 13th question. Define electric field. Give its unit. The electric field at a point is defined as the force experienced by a unit charge placed at that point. Its unit is Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. 14th question. Define electric flux. Give its unit. The number of electric field lines crossing a given area kept normal to the electric field lines is called electric flux. Its unit is Newton meter square C power minus 1. 15th question. State conservation of electric charges. The total electric charge in the universe is constant, and the charge can neither be created nor can be destroyed. In any physical process, the net change in charge will be 0. Okay, thank you all. If you have any doubts, free to contact. We will meet in the next video. Thank you all.